So in ITC's 110th annual general meeting, Sanjiv Puri, the chairman and MD of the company, said that yes, the possibility of a subsequent wave surely creates some near-term uncertainties. However, he said that despite the pandemic being the cause of a concern for livelihood as well as growth, he's quite optimistic on the immense opportunity and the pace of vaccines being there. He's quite optimistic about the future of the economic growth as well as the company going forward. Now, the main focus area that we've seen coming in from the company was the ITC Next strategy. That was the main focus and strategy which the company has put in place, outlining the next horizon of growth for the company and where is ITC going to be seeing the growth coming in from. Now, they've said that the large part of this growth and this strategy focused on the FMCG business as well, the non-cigarette FMCG business, which has been aggressively growing and over the past few years. So now the company has been focusing on how they will be revitalized its FMCG portfolio to address the mainly emerging trends as well as identifying the categories that they would focus on driving the growth through both organic as well as inorganic growth opportunities in the non-FMCG business. So the organic front, they will be focusing on how they'll be investing on their core brands, while on the inorganic opportunities, there's a lot of opportunities they've seen in inorganic space as well, and similarly they'll be looking at acquisitions in inorganic space as well, like how the previous acquisitions were of Savlon as well. So that is what they'll be focusing on, both organic as well as inorganic opportunities in the FMCG space, the non-cigarette FMCG space. Now, obviously, other than that, the cigarette business also, the company did say that yes, it was impacted on a week-on-week impacted by the second wave, but as we go on, move forward on a week-on-week basis, we are seeing a growth coming in the cigarette business as well post the second wave. Other than that, the company's next strategy is also going to be focusing on the digital play. That's been a main focus, and overall, their company highlighted that the e-commerce channels also saw more than a doubled growth coming in from the e-commerce channels in FY21, and the company has also strengthened its direct to consumer platform by ITC e-stores. So surely, the management said that they're quite optimistic on the future of the company, and this digital story of theirs also, they are trying to strengthen their story. They're focusing on the ITC Next play of theirs and how they will be focusing on going forward. Their growth strategy surely is something interesting, and we will be keeping an eye out on ITC going forward. How the performance goes on, what are their sustainability to also calls for strategies, and how they are going to be supporting this growth business, FMCG growth plan of theirs is something we'll keep an eye out on.